Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to circle crop your photo in Canva. First step is to open a browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. This will lead you to a home page of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now after that, you can see different options here. On the left side, click on the elements and on the search bar type in frame. Now you can see this circle frame here. Simply click on it. Now after that, click on this upload and upload your required photo that you want to circle crop. After your upload is done, simply drag this photo into the frame. And here you can see that you have successfully cropped the photo in circle shape. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.